Wow, do I have something good for you guys today. What do I love about Command? The fact that it makes my life easy and I don't have to do a lot of thinking to do anything that's in there. So today, regarding social posts, I'm going to make your life easier. Come on, let's get going. Hey everybody, it's your favorite tech trainer, Bren Brewer, and today we are going over how to create social posts inside of Command. I love this feature. It makes my life easy. All I have to do is go in, grab the design, and put a logo on it. It's super simple. It is that easy. So let's get started. I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to go into agent.kw.com, agent.kw.com, and log in. Then I'm going to click on the designs icon. It's the third from the bottom. And I'm going to click on create design, and I'm going to click on social because these are for social media. What is social media? That's going to be your Facebook, your Twitter, your LinkedIn, your Instagram, any of those things. Not video. This is social posts. So when we come in here, I want you to click on holidays. And whatever month you want to make a holiday for, right now I'm in May. I'm going to go ahead and click on May and find a Mother's Day post. And I like this one, so I'm going to use it. And it's really ready for me. I'm just going to click on the logo. And I'm going to find my all white logo. Click on the replace logo button. And there I have it. A social post, a social image for Mother's Day. Done already. It's done. Literally done. I can click download, save it as a JPEG or a PNG, and I'm going to do that. And I've downloaded that, and now it's saved in my templates. Now, if I want to do more, I can come in here, click on templates, and May's got Memorial Day, so you can click on one of those, change it, and you'll have it. I've already done Memorial Day, I already even have it scheduled, so I'm going to go back over to June, and we can do Father's Day, and we can do Juneteenth. So let's do this one. I'm going to click on this one for Happy Father's Day. I like that. It's really cool. I'm pretty much going to click on the logo, find the one that I want, click replace. If you don't have a logo, you're going to want to come up to images and click add. If you don't have one already in your assets, click add and then click on drag and drop or upload from your computer. I have an actual logo folder on my desktop. Then I would come in and upload the logo that I wanted. Click on that and click open. And then that's going to pull your logo in right here. And then you can click on this replace image button and replace your logo. But you want to make sure that you have the actual logo selected before you use this replace image button. Otherwise, if you just click it, it's going to go in there big like this. And you don't want that. You want it to replace exactly where you want it. If you do that, just select it and click, press the delete button on your keyboard. So now I'm done with this. I'm going to save it. And I'm actually going to do a PNG, and then I'm going to download it, put it in my folder, and then I'm going to go done. And so now I have these in my templates. If I want to get back to them, I just double click. And here we have it. It's ready for me. I'm going to click the home button. I'm going to make one more image. I think I'm going to do a July 4th. So let's scoot down to July. And you can also change the style if you want a story size. Comes up with all your story size if you want social wide or social square. I tend to prefer social square, but that's up to you depending on what you're going to use it on. If you want to do a story, do a story. Alright, so here's our 4th of July one. I'm just going to come down here and click on the logo, which brings up all my logos, and I need the red and white one. So I'm just going to click replace logo, and there you have it. I'm done. I'm going to download. PNG, click download. Done. We just made 3 social images in under 5 minutes, guys. Come on. Get in here, do this, get it ready, because in our next video, we're going to go get these ready to schedule out. So, can't wait. See you next time.